Say why you go know? Why you go know? Say you not do amo.
You resemble your papa facially or what?
Say not do amo, not do amo. Say na so to say if you do am, if you know the money waiting for your account, say na so you go disturb. You go, hey, we don't come back.
Hey, easy way you know.
Easy way you know tell us we don't come back now.
Hey,
we dey gossip. When I know face, we dey gossip.
Now money matter.
Now money matter.
You know, say money make the world go round. It make food sweeter. It make life sweeter. People are sweeter with money. So, make you know who you dey give your pin to.
Anyway, back to the matter what they discuss. This where will they give your pin to? Anyway, back to the matter what they discuss for this evening. We discuss in case you just join us. We say okay, if you be guy, you go carry your ATM with password, your checkbook, your bank details. In fact, carry your wallet, give your wife or your girlfriend. And as a woman and as a girl where they date boy, where they work, where they earn better money, you go do the same thing to your boyfriend or your husband. From Sulere, good evening. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Good evening, my sister.
Good evening, oh.
Good evening, how you doing?
now.
I'm fine.
You dey sing for choir?
No.
Try it. You can. You get person where your voice be like person where they sing.
I just have a baby voice.
Yeah.
Oh, you just have a baby boy.
A baby voice.
Oh, you just have a baby voice.
Now that kind of voice, you go take the.
Wait, when she talk, you dey block her talk. You dey block her talk.
She dey laugh. Say I dey block her laugh. Now her laugh you want hear, Nedu.
Anyway, my sister, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Wait till we are fine.
How old you dey?
It's not me.
Okay.
According to your question, I don't go give my husband my card, though.
Why?
Why you not go give him?
Leave it.
Why you not go give him? Easy be they smell like Momo. Why you not go give him?
For peace to reign.
For peace to reign.
Yes.
You don't marry?
Yes, I'm married.
Why you think say peace no Korean?
Your husband give you in on?
I didn't want. He wanted to give me a spin. I told him I don't want.
Why? You don't want his money?
Just like Kachim talk. If they give me that one, they operate another one.
My sister. As you they operate one, babe, they operate the next one. Another one. In mama, they operate the other one. Then all of them go, they think say, now only them get access.
My sister, bye-bye. Hello, you dey hear me? Hello?
You don't drive up now.
No, I don't. I be want make you sing for us. Because tie your voice, you dey waste. Me don jazzy. They will produce a music for you.
Which kind of song you go sing? You go sing
Mama Jesus.
No, first.
Is it you talk about that woman when you say carry ATM Giv that guy? I beg. I'm interested in that matter.
Easy. So, I take God beg you.
How that was I take it?
For everything.
So
no,
give
Tony from Lagos. We'll come back to that. You must give me that studio. Anthony from Lagos. Good evening.
No give the woman. No give the woman address. Because please.
Hello.
For peace to reign.
For peace to reign.
Good evening, Anthony.
Yeah, good evening.
Namaste. Chiringe.
Hello?
Good evening.
Namaste.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. How you doing?
I do fine.
This matter what they discuss. Okay, first of all, you don't marry.
I don't marry.
You go fit carry your ATM with password, checkbook. No matter the amount waiting for the account, give your wife.
I don't get ATM like my checkbook.
You don't carry and give your wife.
She is not signatory to the account. So you say give and checkbook.
Oh, she not signatory to the account.
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, dear. So now be say if you withdraw, she they get a lot too.
No, the alert on my phone is on.
The alert, no only you one.
Yeah.
So if you go tip the check withdraw now, she not gonna know.
No, not the same withdraw. She not gonna know. She gonna know now.
How she gonna know?
How she want to know?
The checkbook, she dey check the checkbook.
My brother, not for that thing. You fit go back, go to your checkbook.
No.
He said no.
Anyway, Tony, thank you very much. Grace from Bagada, good evening.
Oganedu, good evening. No.
Namaste, Chori Fiarenge. Nehi. Junk fire. How you doing?
I'm fine.
You dey work?
Yes, I do.
You don't marry?
I don't marry.
Okay. Your voice be like single person. Now,
No, I'm married.
okay. For this matter we dey discuss, you go fit carry your ATM, your checkbook and everything, give your husband with password.
Why not?
Why?
As they talk, so in ATM, they my hand.
Your husband dey there?
You know they here.
Okay.
In ATM dey your hand?
For
Yes.
peace to reign.
For peace to reign, Abi?
Not peace to reign. I don't have any cockroach in my cupboard.
No, it's not quarrel now.
You sure say he not get another account?
Me now, eh?
You sure say he not get another account?
No.
Okay. All right, no wahala. Thank you very much, Grace from Bagada.
Nedu, what is that
From
supposed to mean
Kaduna, good
now?
evening.
How you go get another
How you
account?
dey?
They trust themselves now.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Una know yours they create ECB today. Oh. Why now?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, Catherine. I don't feel you, girl.
Oh, you there? Sit down.
Feel you,
Oh,
Catherine.
that's it. You are in the spirit. You know they create ECB today?
They do? They do? I don't understand your outfit this night, though.
No, na India. I've been trying to go India last night. Namaste, Kyorenge, Charenge, Nehi.
You called India last night. Okay, you call as
Nah,
wings.
if not you, what do you go do? You go carry your ATM, give your husband and password.
Anyway, the way I see Asha, the thing we say, you know, if trust there, Sha, well, the problem is say all these marriages where trust no they dey.
Yes.
If trust there, why not?
Your own, uncle, you don't do them.
Abba, I dey do am steady.
Not be I did. You don't give them your ATM or something like that.
Present continuous tense.
What you are talking about is a past participle past. What we are talking about is a future present
Continuous.
participle continuous.
Here. Come back.
I dey do am.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Marco, got small chicken break. Will they come back? No. Still on top of the next show.
She need them badly, be like tornado. She talks, say I they play like Ronaldo. The thing they sweeter like don't just say Minado. Eminado, we gon' go Monaco. I rock her body, give her Orlando. She just a holla, she just scream obrigado. I rock her body, give her Orlando. She just a holla, she just scream obrigado. As I dey fire, I dey call her Morocco. Baby, make we collabo.
Hey! Thank you, DJ.
Collabo.
Thank you.
No, collabo with your money. Nedu, make we collabo
Collabo
now.
with your money or don't collabo with your money.
Nedu,
Now
how
be-
come you don't give me your pin?
You want make
So you don't trust
You want
me?
Zamaka to kill you? Who's in Timbugi? My video vixen.
That is it.
You want? Who's in Timbugi?
Oh, that is it. Our wicked in-house video fixing. Nobody fit touch them. You called Noring on you, Kel, Abi. They called Noring on you, Kel.
Ernest from Mushin. Hello, Ernest. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll get plenty tweet messages. Oh, yeah, Katim, over to you.
Solomon say, love no. He said, love no go do me rich when I go give my ATM pin to my girlfriend. Except I trust her because the truth be say, when them know the pin, everything not finished. My brother, he be like when they talk from experience.
Yata say, ta! Then to give me an ATM pin, ta, Bafo. Who's in Timbugi will get you.
Greg say, well, it depends on if she is trustworthy.
And then Shirley Simon say nitro, okay?
Yeah.
And then Ola do something. Happy
He said, I have my wife ATM, both Niger and Turkey own. How many wives you get?
Deborah from Benin, good evening.
Hello.
How you doing, my sister?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Debbie, from your voice, you sound, I don't know, you're on the fence. I don't know whether you're married or not.
Hello.
You don't marriage?
No.
Because he sounds single. At the same time, when you can't laugh, it can't sound like married woman laugh. Easy beat. What? Deborah, you hear Easy beat. What do you think about Deborah laugh?
To say to Easy beat.
Attack him. Easy beat.
Hi, Deborah. Deborah, good
Hi.
evening.
Easy.
Hi, Deborah. Good evening.
Deborah.
Yeah.
So now, Pidgin, you speak to us. Can't carry English. Speak to Easy beat. Hi.
You don't laugh finish.
You don't laugh finish.
I don't laugh finish.
Wait, Deborah, before you go, you go fit carry your ATM and
Give
password.
Easy.
Give Easy beat.
I don't know.
All I know, bye. Thank you very much. Still on top of the matter we will discuss. Before we enter another topic, we can slowly talk. We never reach it now. Before we enter that one, go on to tweet. Emeka Anyogo say, if you no trust your wife.
If you no trust your wife.
Now who you go trust?
Now who you go trust?
My wife knows my ATM pin and all my social media password. Your Facebook. Ungwana akoka kwe.
Oh, Karima.
In our God,
my brother.
G Bright say, Bros Nedu, it depends. But she go down reach at least 8 to 9 years. Because her experience.
Yes.
He said he go down reach 8 to 9 years for the relationship before he release the ATM.
Deborah from River State, another Debbie.
You don't call.
David, don't
Okay,
go.
we don't lost the call.
He escaped pressure saying, it's a possibility. I fit give my wife my wallet.
As I'm looking at it, it's a possibility.
You know.
I fit give my wife wallet
When you are drunk.
as long as we are married. And then Emeka Nyogo say, why not?
If not.
If not, me, I go give him. The relation say, Nedu, you look like a Kamal lizard. Yes, thank you. That is how we rode. Like what?
Egg
roll.
Una could even know this you are dressing, not be here. It be like Nigerian Indian. As for the matter, waiting the ground, my answer na capital no. It's not quarrel.
From River State, good evening.
Not be quarrel now.
Hello? Hello? Okay. And then I missed. Okay, so no.
My wife ATM and
mine. I'm the sole handler. Though for her, nothing to hide. As for ATM, she doesn't bother, but phone. She doesn't.
etc. You never talk that talk finish.
From Katsina, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Kati.
Ma, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I don't know why they greet you. Make me I greet you.
Yes, boss. Good evening. Good evening, boss.
Now, why can't go reduce your hair? Now, it's not going to fit you.
Man, nah, the weather. Just make I touch us small.
All right, so this is my time to say, well, me, I think give my girlfriend, I never married her, but I think give my girlfriend my wallet, make you whole.
You feel, and not the wallet, ATM and password, you feel give them?
ATM? Hey, I'll give her more. No be love.
Emmanuel!
You say no be love?
No love, I'll give her. Why I no go give her? So if I know they won't, if she need money, won't use the money.
Okay.
I can do that now.
Emmanuel, thank you. Good night.
Okay,
From
ma.
River State, good evening.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, but now
Abby.
hello?
Yeah, good evening.
How you
Hello,
doing?
dear.
I do.
Abby, you don't marry?
No.
Yeah.
Word
of God.
Your voice be like married person voice.
I never experienced.
See, I love
You know they create easy bit?
Is it?
You know they create easy bit?
No.
Baby, talk to me, please. You don't, should be in the work, Abby?
No.
You get bank account
Yes.
and you get money inside.
Yes.
You get boyfriend. You fit carry your account, your ATM and password, give your boyfriend?
No. The last time I tried, I mean, withdraw my money.
Hey!
How much in come out?
How much in withdraw?
120.
120,000! Yes.
Wow. Just like that.
It's a wow.
It's a wow.
What do you do?
I thought I meant pay.
Impe.
You know, we pay, but when
You
you
don't
give
call
me
police
ATM,
for
I'll
them.
be drawing home back.
Oh, he give you ATM, you can't withdraw your own back.
Eh.
In not pay in kind. Let's leave the matter for another day. But anyway, thank you very much,
Thank
AB
you
from
very
Rivers. Good night.
He say, Afsat say, me, I fit give him because I trust him. Nedu, I don't change easy. I don't change. Easy, they do me nonsense. In fact, Nedu, I'm giving you my PIN and checkbook.
Baby, give to me tonight. I'm going crazy. Uzindum Boogie is going to get you. I'm not to hit you. And then, Gloria from Lagos, before we do the tweet. Good evening.
Hello?
Good
Hello?
evening, Gloria. You don't marry, Abby?
I don't marry you.
You get married person voice.
How their phones they be?
You don't walk? I'll give you cheese.
I don't work well.
You don't walk. Now, Gloria, if you carry your ATM, where get money, give your husband and the password.
Which side? Organic and Sister Katim, even UCBD. Get the leave matter for Matthias.
You not fit give am.
We just talk this thing, they just deform.
Abby!
My sister.
They just deform. They don't say, yeah, no, the truth at all.
My dear, we dey here, yours they listen to them.
We just make we could not be like say with the
all these men at the same 10 and 10 they be.
Chop knuckle. You are too
so
much.
meaning say you not fit give your husband your pin.
Unless the one will get grace of God. Even the grace of God says, even the grace of God, Bible talk and say money is the root of all evil.
Madam, thank you very much. Thank you. Good night. Our last
Madam,
caller from
don't talk
Kano.
through.
Good evening. From Kano.
Good evening.
Good evening. How you doing, my brother Aliu?
Nedu.
Hey, Baba Naya Keke.
When did you come from India?
Chori Naim last night, yeah. Hey. Now last night I come from India.
Okay. How are you?
I did fine. You don't marry?
Yeah. You see, if I trust my wife very well, I will give them everything. Oh.
But you not give them. You fit, but you never give them.
She know the place where everything is.
But you not give them. Say, baby, take. This is my ATM. This is my password. In case you want
Take
money.
it, do with it
Do
as
whatever
you want
you
to
want
do.
as you
She
do.
knows everything. She knows everything.
Yeah, brother.
But she don't withdraw from the ATM before.
You never ask her. You never tell me say you won't go withdraw.
Don't worry, the nose knows.
Anytime she tells me say you won't go withdraw.
Aliu.
It's okay.
Aliu.
Now,
Can I do no go?
nah, you are
So
lying.
now go they say go me go. And like him. I guess the matanka kaji go.
In other words, come and feel
Yes, I'm on the
Come
matanka.
to Yan Kufa, come and work at the Kusum, come and yeah, from Uber Boy, yeah, Boki, man, you got come and more. I said, Fanny man, they have for the other to Tumbong, you might keep money to me so, mock up though,
Sorry. Thank you. Kabiru Alhaji, thank you very much, Aliu. Good night. Kabiru Alhaji Haruna say, now death sentence be that. Oh. How can you give your wife
your life
to your girlfriend? Oh no. Lizzie, come say, if my husband give me ATM, he no say money not too dead. No.
Lizzie, you there on point.
Madam, now you talk through. No, say, you talk, in fact, God bless you. No say money
say-
not to the account.
Now they
If
go
money
keep you.
them, he go they protect that ATM.
Yes, so.
Then Kabiru sit and okay, we don't read Kabiru home. And then if
na
my
your
wife,
wife,
if you understand on herself. And then Alan Smith say, Organe do one. I really love your show. For inside this matter, I not fit to give my wife ATM. I not fit give to my girl.
He say even love.
Anyway,
Issy never finished that.
No, we'll not get time. We'll not get time.
Issy.
Double toilet to all of now. We call us today for sure.
I dey call here. No, I dey call meet Issy. Issy, no.
So all of now we call us for the show. Double toilet to all of now. And those of now wait tweet. Double toilet. And those of now who not fit take on no call on a phone calls. I beg make una no vex until tomorrow. Me if I want hear that gist. How? Because easy bit now Lagos. Which part of Lagos you get this thing?
No, I say I don't tell you.
Now.
No,
I want hear that.
They do go.
I play. You not go here. Play music.